Done for each of the tables I've downloaded from the census. I've copied and pasted them into a new worksheet, and I've called them the very uncreative sheet 1, sheet 2, etc. So there is my ownership. What I do then is I go data, get data from table. I'm going to only choose the columns I want. So I'll deselect all. I need these two, and I want owned, mortgage, and rented. That's all I want. I'm then going to go remove blank rows, just in case I've inadvertently given a whole lot of rows that weren't included. And then I'm going to go close and load. I'm not actually going to go close and load because I've done it already. So we'll just we'll discard this. And I have done it over 5 sheets, and I have put it into this, which is a summary of all the fields that I wanted. If I click on anywhere in the table, I'll come up with something else comes up in the back, and that's query. I want to start a query editor, a query thing, and I want all of them. So I'm going to I have to do it one by one, unfortunately. So let's do table 1, and we'll do to table 3, and we'll do it in order. I'm going to click on SA2 for both of them. It says it's matched all the rows. And when it comes up like this, with table like this, I click on that thing. I don't want the SA2. And what do I want there? I've already chosen the ones I want, and I've chosen households. And it's quite important to keep dwelling characteristics separate from household characteristics. I mean, from individual characteristics. And you will see in the census, if you go back into table builder, you can choose selected. Let's just do it. I'll just show you what I mean. We'll go into table builder, click on there, continue. You'll see there selected dwelling characteristics and selected family characteristics. It's important that when you're doing the proportion, that you will give the total column is either total dwellings or total individuals, because it is a different proportion. Dwellings is a different total than individuals. So if I go back into my Excel, I will see there, this is all dwelling characteristics. I can leave the total. I'll go OK. And you see it's added those tables. I might want to see if I've got any blank rows. And then I will close and load it as a query. And it'll open up another sheet. It does this all the time. So there we have owned outright, owned with a mortgage. We have a table 3 total. In fact, we've got 2 totals, but because they're the same, 6128, we can remove one, or we can just rename it. I would then call it, instead of that, I would call it dwelling total. Because we need to make sure that we are calculating proportions from the same thing, and then I would save it.